Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well and may have revised the previously learned topics. So now, our today's topic is hydrosphere, hydrological cycle. Water is a cyclical, renewable resource that can be used and reused. It moves from oceans to land and back to oceans. The hydrological cycle has been ongoing for billions of years, supporting all life on Earth. It involves the circulation of water in liquid, solid, and gaseous forms. The cycle represents the continuous exchange of water between oceans, atmosphere, land surface, subsurface, and living organisms. Equation: RF is equal to ρ plus ET. RF, rainfall, includes all precipitation types. Rho, runoff, represents water flow over land. ET, evapotranspiration, covers evaporation and transpiration. Stages of the hydrological cycle. 1. Evaporation. Water converts from liquid to gas due to the sun's heat. Land, lakes, rivers, oceans, and plants contribute water vapor. 2. Transportation. Water vapor moves through the atmosphere, forming clouds. Upper air circulation and breezes propel clouds. 3. Condensation. Water vapor cools, forming tiny droplets and clouds. 4. Precipitation. Rain, sleet, or snow returns water to Earth's surface. 5. Runoff. Water flows down hills to rivers or penetrates land to recharge groundwater. 6. Groundwater. Groundwater flows slower than runoff and sometimes upward in artesian wells. Water sources. 97.2169% of water is saline ocean water, 2.7831% is fresh water. 68.7% of freshwater exists as ice and snow. 30.1% is fresh groundwater. 0.34% is in lakes, reservoirs, and rivers. Oceans. Oceans are large water bodies classified into Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, Antarctic, and Arctic oceans. Sea versus ocean. A sea is partially or fully enclosed by land. Relief of the ocean. 1. Continental shelf. Depth, up to 200 m, occupies 7.6% of ocean area. Rich in fish, petroleum, natural gas, and suitable for seaports. 2. Continental slope. Depth, 200 to 3000 meters, occupies 15% of ocean area. Features submarine canyons. 3. Deep sea plain, abyssal plain. Depth, 3000 to 6000 meters, covers 76.2% of ocean basins. Known for being flat and smooth. 4. Oceanic trenches. Depth, over 6000 meters, close to continents, crucial for plate tectonics. Salinity of the ocean. Salinity refers to dissolved salts in seawater, expressed as ppt, %0. Average salinity, 35% 0. 35 g of salt in 1,000 g of water. Sodium chloride constitutes 77.8% of dissolved salts. Factors affecting salinity. 1. Evaporation and precipitation. 2. Freshwater inflow and ice thawing in polar regions. 3. Wind movement. 4. Ocean currents. Ocean temperature varies from -2 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius, influenced by latitude, winds, seasons, and currents. Temperature decreases with depth, stabilizing around 2 degrees Celsius at 5 kilometers depth. Ocean currents. Ocean currents are large water movements, classified as warm or cold. Causes. 1. Centrifugal force. 2. Wind stresses. 3. Rainfall at the equator. 4. Solar heating. Examples of salinity. Highest, Lake Van, 330% zero, Dead Sea, 238% zero, Great Salt Lake, to 20% zero. Lowest, Baltic Sea and Hudson Bay, 3-15% zero. Ocean as a resource. Oceans support diverse life, provide food, minerals, and energy resources. Resources include fish, salt, gems, pearls, and oil. Oceans facilitate trade, power generation, and industries. Threats include overfishing, plastic waste, and toxic dumping. Thanks for watching.